Hello, my darlings. Welcome. Another amazing adventure today. What would you make challenge? Hosted by my amazing friends, Zaina, and guest hosts, Jamie and LaParsha. So today, after you're done watching my video, head over our playlist along with the channels of my friends, Okay at Home Zaina, Simple Roots, Simple Living Jamie, and Creating It Myself LaParsha, and all our amazing creators in the playlist. DIY number 1. Today, for What Would You Make challenge, I made a couple of Christmas signs. So for the first one, I'm using this wooden sign, and I'm just using antique wax from Waverly, going with a baby wipe. And now I'm using this wooden star from Dollar Tree. I'm using one of those scrapbook sheet with a key. I had those long time ago from Joann's. And after I go over so I can cut it off, the star pieces, I'm using a Mod Podge, and I'm gonna decoupage the key paper all over on the both sides of the star, just like that, using my roller from Plate to make it nice and smooth, just like that, adding a Mod Podge all over to secure it. And now I'm putting the star in my wood sign. I'm just seeing where it's gonna look nice. I'm gonna glue it just like that. I'm using one of those Mary wooden pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm using a Christmas tree. And I'm looking at, should I give greeneries on top or not. And now when I glue the star, I'm just using a lighter just to get rid of the pieces, gluing the Mary sign, adding an extra red pom-pom for the nose of my reindeer, glue the tree, and that's it. My sign is done. For the next DIY, I got those pieces from my local store. So I'm just gonna get rid of that piece on top so we can have a clear wooden sign. So after I clean it up, I'm gonna use a Moss Waverly chalk paint all over, just like that. Super easy. And when all that is done, I'm using one of those gift bags from Dollar Tree. If you follow my channel, you see that I really like using those gift bags for my signs. And after my sign is nice and dry, I'm gonna sand it off with a sand sponge. And now I'm Mod Podging the reindeer on it, just like that. And I'm gonna go all over with a Mod Podge. And now I'm adding those two wooden snowflakes purchased from Walmart on each corner, and I just wanted to create a nice farmhouse Christmas looking sign. For the next DIY, I'm using a same kind of wooden sign, and I'm gonna use olive oil chalk paint, and when it's dry, I'm using another gift bag, cutting that truck with a tree. And now I'm using a stencil so we can put Christmas, and on the bottom I'm gonna stencil it with a tree. Ivory Waverly chalk paint, using for the word Christmas, just like that. Removing it, look how cute it looks. We're gonna put the truck in the middle, and then the word 3, it's gonna go on the bottom, and I'm using folk art pure gold paint on the bottom. Super simple and easy. When all that is done, I'm removing, and I'm using a rose gold marker from Dollar Tree so we can make a lining on our 3 word, just like that. I'm adding a Mod Podge to add the chalk in the middle, using my roller. And now I'm sanding it off with a sponge. I wanted to make a rustic, vintagey farmhouse sign. So I just want to make it look very old. Doesn't matter if the letters are clear or not. I just going all over it because I just wanted to look like it was outside and it was all rusted and a vintage look. Now on the bottom, I'm adding those wooden Christmas tree. Well, before that, I add a Mod Podge, just like that. And when all that is done, I'm gonna add those 2 Christmas tree on the bottom and a snowflake, and that's it for this DIY. The next 2 DIYs, I'm using this rustic ornament, galvanized ornament from Dollar Tree. I'm using another give back from Dollar Tree, adding this green garland from Dollar Tree, and distress it with a white Waverly chalk paint, just like that, super easy. One of those wooden signs, also from Dollar Tree, and a red raffia to make a bow, funky bow on the bottom. Top. So since we are creating a farmhouse looking signs, and that's it for that sign. Another galvanized sign from Dollar Tree, another give back cut off. Add that wooden sign purchased from Joanne, and that's it. Look how cute and simple. And this is it for my creations. And what do you think? Super easy, super fast, and I hope I gave you some inspiration for you to create, and super cheap, and for a couple of dollars you can make such a beautiful farmhouse high-end look that nobody even gonna know that you made them out of the give bags, made them out of the Dollar Tree products, and it can make your home beautiful for our upcoming Christmas holidays with lots of love. And let me know, what do you think? Did I do a good job? Let me know which one is your favorite, and if you're planning to recreate some of those. They were super simple, easy, beautiful creations, and I'm really loving it. And after you're done watching my video, please follow my description box along with the hosts and the co-hosts and our amazing playlist with my amazing talented friends with lots of inspiration for this coming Christmas season. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.